Hi children, how are you? Now I show some pictures. Say the name of them. Okay? What is this? Apple. This one? Apple. What is this? Ant. Ant. Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. The next one is ambulance. 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 And this one, axe. What is this? Axe. This one, arrow. What is this? Arrow. And this one, abacus. What's this? Abacus. This is alligator. What is this? Alligator. And the next one, apricot. The fruit name is apricot. Let's say the words with its sound. The sound of the A is a. We should pronounce the A as a sound. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for ambulance. A for axe. A for arrow. A for apple. Ant. Axe. A for aeroplane. Arrow. Ambulance. Practice the words with a sound. This is phonetic method. Dear children, practice properly. Thank you.